It is Thursday, April 8th, and this is Octavia Ortiz
and Tamara Frost
with your nightly news. Today on the nightly news, we have weather, lunch, summer school, National Honor Society Easter candy sale, Slay with the Nights update, main event trip, prom, HBC March and April Madness, riddle of the day, birthday, and sports.
weather. Today we will have a high of 77 degrees. Wednesday will be the hottest.
Burns and McDonald Summer Camp. This is free STEM, Science, Technology, Engineering, and Math Summer Day Camp, and Lunch Summer Day Camp. Lunch and snacks will be provided. Space is extremely limited, so be sure to have your parents /students sign up immediately. See Principal Chanel Smith if you're interested in signing up.
Camp NAWIC will be held June 3rd through June 7th, 2019 at various locations. This is an awesome free week-long camp that will give them insight and access to construction careers. Beginning at the Builders Training Center, see Principal Chanel Smith for a link to the registration form.
Main event. Any scholar who has at least 93% attendance rate of the month of April, only April, will get a full day trip to main event. We will have laser tag, bowling, games, pizza, and more. Those scholars who have 100% attendance rate will be in a drawing for a special prize. If you have any questions, see Mr. Shriver. Remember, this is only for the month of April, so if you had poor attendance before, the slate has been wiped clean.
Prom. Prom is Saturday, May 4th at 8 p.m. at the Firestone Building, first floor. Any senior or junior interested in running for Royal Court must fill out and return a nomination form to Ms. Muhammad by April 26th. Forms can be picked up in the office or from Ms. Muhammad in room 16. Any scholar waiting to bring an outside guest, Any scholar wanting to bring an outside guest to prom must purchase a ticket from Ms. Muhammad and fill out and return an outside guest form to Ms. Muhammad by April 26th. The theme for this year is Masquerade.
Youth Night. April 23rd, the FBI and the Kansas City, Missouri police are offering a Youth Night. This will demonstrate and display for crime scenes investigations, cyber crimes, mobile command and rollover car, and forensics examinations. There will be refreshments provided. The Youth Night is from 5:30 to 7:30 p.m. at the KCPD East Patrol. For more information, contact Officer Green.
2020 Leadership. Juniors and seniors that are part of 2020 Leadership, there is a mandatory meeting on April 8, 2019 in room 120 during your scheduled lunch. Please see Ms. Williams for more details in room 120.
National Honor Society Easter candy sale to raise money for books for the children at Children's Mercy Hospital. It is $1 for Easter candy. Sales begin April 8th through April 12th during lunch. Delivery will be during advisory, April 17th.
Slay with the Nights. Slay with the Nights was a success, and we appreciate all the scholars that were in attendance. These students received a tutorial on how to do makeup for prom.
Riddle of the day. It has a long neck. The name of a bird. Feeds on cargo of ships. It is not alive. What is it?
A crane. That's corny.
A crane. Anaya Harris had a birthday yesterday. Wish her a happy birthday. And there are no birthdays today.
HBCU March and April Madness. Hey attendance fans, HBCU attendance bracket contest is in full swing. You can view results on the bulletin board near the gym.
My name is Jalen Harris. I'm a sophomore and I play on the baseball team.
What happened with Guadalupe last week?
It was a good game. We beat them 12-2, and I felt like everybody was locked in that game.
What y'all planning to do this Monday and this week?
We plan on beating Northeast, and I don't know exactly who we play Thursday. We plan on beating them though, but we really plan on beating Northeast. If we beat Northeast, we'll be 3-1.
Noriega, what you doing today?
So we are finna make this lovely fella a brownie sundae.
Oh, okay.
So you gotta put on gloves because
Sanitary?
Sanitary.
We
Can't,
like that.
Trying to mess up nobody's food now.
Okay. So what consists in a brownie sundae?
Well, it's one brownie and 2 scoops of ice cream and any toppings of your choice.
Oh, okay.
So we gonna back up and we gonna get a sundae cup. This is what we make our sundaes in.
Okay.
We're gonna put it right there. We're gonna open up the refrigerator.
Now, do the customers have a choice to warm up their brownies?
Yes.
Okay.
Would you like your brownie warm? Okay. So then we take it out of the paper.
That looks delicious.
It's a big one too. Put it in the microwave. And hit warm brownie.
Now, do the customers have any choice to get any kind of ice cream they want, or does it specific ice
Any
cream?
kind. So, what would be your choice of ice cream? You want the Snickers, 1 scoop of Snickers and chocolate almond? Yes, sir. So we wait for our brownie to finish, which is done.
Okay.
We pull it out. With Sundays, it's only kid scoops, which is this one. So you dip it in the water.
So small.
So small too. Look.
I like the way you work your wrist in that ice cream.
So you get a scoop and you put it on top. You got the little button to release the ice cream. Sometimes it don't want to work.
Okay.
Then rinse your scoop out because you don't want 2 different flavor ice creams on 1 scoop. So you make sure that it's good and rinsed out. And then you get Snickers.
So ain't this our nutty container where we separate our ice creams, our regular ice creams from nut allergy ice creams?
Because a lot of people are allergic to peanuts. So we got a whole case where it's just like nuts, sherbet, and non-nut ice cream.
Okay.
Sir, what's your toppings? You can get whipped cream, strawberries, hot fudge, caramel.
Martin marshmallows.
Hot fudge and whipped cream? Okay. So we're gonna reach down in the refrigerator, grab whipped cream.
Okay.
We're gonna shake it up in the trash can because sometimes stuff can come out.
Okay.
We're gonna go around just like this. Like that.
I can see you ain't it cost too stingy with the whipped cream.
And then the hot fudge container is very hard to press. So you gotta use some muscle
Oh yeah, okay.
and get that hot fudge up out of there.
Now you putting any sir, did you want any cherry on your hot fudge?
Low on hot fudge. I just got popped with hot fudge, y'all. Here you go.
Hot fudge sundae with Noriega.
Okay.